Okay, part 2 on the budget build. I got my lower parts kit today. I had a couple extra hammers, and Anderson makes an essential kit without the hammer and the trigger, but I went and got the whole kit. Actually, they were out of stock on that one, the essentials. But so this was $39.95. I got this at AIM Surplus, and it's a complete lower kit. If you want to see what's all in there, you can pause it. And then back. It comes with a stainless hammer and trigger. I think the black one is the exact same price as this, $39.95. That was out of stock also, so I got stainless, which doesn't bother me too much. If it bothers me on there, I'll just put one of my other ones in. But price-wise, for anybody doing this, it'll be the same, even if I use my own. There's the uppercut. It was $19.95 for the uppercut, and it's got the dust cover, the pin, the spring for it, the forward assist, and the spring. And it's got the little C-clamp on there too. And then I also got a Spikes Tactical carbine length gas tube. I went carbine length because that's what all my handguards are. And then of course we did the lower and the upper on part 1. So right now we've got, with everything on the table, we've got $124.85 in it. That's without shipping or tax. It's going to be $131.11 with shipping and or tax, depending on where I get it from. I've also got my barrel ordered. It should be in tomorrow. I work all weekend, so I'll probably post that Sunday or Monday. But I'll go ahead and put this together and let you guys know if I have any issues with any of the parts on there. Okay, so we got the upper and lower all together. Forward assist and dust cover. No issues putting anything together with it. The only thing that was different about this is this Anderson hammer and trigger are a little bit like differently designed. So I put the hammer and trigger in first like I usually do, and I couldn't get my my safety switch in. So I take the hammer and trigger back out, and you gotta kind of have to put them in at the same time. I'm guessing that's probably a lower receiver deal than anything. It's no big deal. You just kind of put them at the same time so they can fit right. But yeah, so anyway, that's it. So we'll do a box opening once I get the barrel in. So it should be coming in pretty soon. Thanks for watching.